You were asked about the epidemic of sexual violence and rape in Pakistan, and you acknowledged the seriousness of the problem, and you talked about Pakistan's strict laws. You were also quoted as saying that the practice of women wearing veils, quote, is to stop temptation. Not every man has willpower, you said. On increasing vulgarity, it will have consequences. And you were accused of rape victim blaming. How do you respond to that?
It is such nonsense. I never said veils. This was never said. I said the concept of purdah. Concept of purdah is avoid temptation in the society. We don't have discos here. We don't have nightclubs. So it is a completely different society, way of life here. So if you raise temptation in the society to the point, and all these young guys have nowhere to go, it has consequences in the society.
Do you think that what women wear has any effect? That's part of this temptation?
If a woman is wearing very few clothes, it will have an impact on the men, unless they're robots. I mean, it's common sense.
Yes, but is it really going to provoke acts of sexual violence?
It depends which society you live in. If in a society people haven't seen that sort of thing, it will have an impact on them. If you grow up in a society like you, maybe it won't on you. This cultural imperialism, whatever is in our culture, must be acceptable to everyone else. It's not.
But forgive me, like, when you were a cricket star, you know, you were seen as a playboy, you know, there were photos of you with your shirts off in your bedroom. Like, Jonathan, it's a bit rich for you to be criticizing this.
This is not about me. It's about
but you're the messenger.
Jonathan, listen, it's about my society. My priority is how my society behaves, what reactions are caused in my society. So when I see sex crime going through the roof, we sit down, we discuss how we're going to tackle this. It is having an impact in my society. We have to do something about it.
Thank you so much, Prime Minister.